English Listening Podcasts. Today, we talk about motivation. Many people think motivation is the key. They say, when I feel motivated, I work. When I feel motivated, I go to the gym. When I feel motivated, I study. But motivation is not stable. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel strong. Some days you feel tired. So if you rely on mood, your progress will be random. And random progress is slow progress. So today, we change the strategy. We use systems. Because mood is weather. Systems are structure. Mood changes, systems stay. Let me tell you a short story. A person is motivated on Monday. They plan big. They feel excited. They work hard. Then Thursday comes. They feel tired. They feel stressed. They feel distracted. And the plan disappears. They say, I lost motivation. But the truth is, they did not lose motivation. They lost the system. Because they never had a system. They had a feeling. Feelings are not a plan. So today, I give you two big ideas. Idea 1. A system is a set of defaults. A system is something you do without thinking too much. It is a default. For example, you wake up, you drink water. You sit at your desk, you open your work file. You finish work, you walk for 10 minutes. You do not ask, do I feel like it? You just do it. That is a system. Systems remove decision fatigue. Because decisions are expensive. If you make decisions all day, you become tired. Then you choose the easy thing. Phone, food, comfort. So we create defaults. Defaults make good behavior easier. Idea 2. Build habits with a simple loop. Here is the loop. Trigger, action, reward. This is simple and powerful. Let's break it down. Trigger is the start signal. It tells your brain, now. Examples, after I brush my teeth, when I sit at my desk, after I drink coffee, at 7 p.m. Action is the habit, small and clear. Examples, 10 minutes of writing, 20 push-ups, 5 minutes of shadowing, 1 page of review. Reward is a small good feeling. It tells your brain, good job. Rewards can be simple. Check mark on a list, a short break, a cup of tea, music for 2 minutes, a small done feeling. Now, many people fail because they build the wrong thing. They build habits that are too big, too hard, too much friction. Friction is the enemy. So we learn the main rule. Make it easy to start. Your habit must be easy to start, not easy forever, easy to start. Because starting is the hardest part. So we remove friction. Here are simple friction removers. Put gym clothes ready at night. Keep your notebook open on the desk. Put your phone in another room. Make your work file the first tab. Use one simple timer. Now I want to give you a powerful idea. You do not rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. Many people have goals. Goals are good. But goals do not run your day. Systems run your day. A goal is a direction. A system is a daily machine. So if you want a new life, you need a new machine. Now, let's build one small system today. Mini plan. For today, we will build one tiny system in 5 minutes. Step 1. Choose one habit. One only. Example, deep work, gym, study, English, saving money, clean eating. Step 2. Choose a trigger. Make it obvious. Example, after I brush my teeth, after I sit at my desk, after dinner. Step 3. Choose the smallest action. Make it very small. Examples, 10 minutes work, 5 minutes reading, 1 short workout, 1 message, 1 small task. Step 4. Choose a reward, a small reward. Example, mark a checklist, 5 minutes of rest, a nice tea, short music. Now you have a loop. Trigger, action, reward. Now repeat. Repeat is the magic. Now I want to talk about bad days. Bad days are normal. On bad days, do not try to be a hero. Do not force big work. Just do the system, even the minimum, because the system keeps you alive. When you keep the chain, you protect your identity. You say, I am still this person. Now let's talk about environment. Environment is part of the system. If your environment is full of distractions, your system will fail. So make your environment support you. One simple rule. Design the room for the habit. If you want to read, keep a book visible. If you want to work, keep your desk clean. If you want to sleep, keep the phone away. Your environment is not neutral. It pushes you. So push it in your favor. Now do shadowing with me. Repeat slowly. I do not rely on mood. I rely on my system. I make it easy to start. I remove friction. I set clear triggers. I reward small wins. I design my day. I repeat what works. I improve my system. I win. Now, here is your challenge today. Build one tiny system. Trigger, action, reward. And do it today. Even if you do it for 5 minutes. If you want more calm episodes like this, subscribe and stay with me. Mood changes. Systems stay. See you next episode.